So sometimes the topic can be as simple as trees. Trees, you know, yeah, trees, darahat. Okay, so because we never discuss, we never talk about it, so they can ask you any questions. My first question is, shall I ask you about trees? Yeah, you can answer comfortably. Yeah, good. And by the way, if you don't know the names of the trees, you don't need to go into that. Don't use any Urdu names. My favorite tree is Neem ka ped. I like this ped very much and all that. So right, just you can say like if you know the name of any tree, like popular tree or any other tree, banyan tree, oak tree, right? So any one name is more than enough. So let's take a start. What kind of trees do people usually plant in your country? A very good suggestion is fruit tree. Then simply apple tree, mango tree. You don't need to know any name. Apple tree, mango tree, peach tree, watermelon tree. That's what I wanted to check. Huh? Yeah, watermelon. Yeah, it's got what do you call that thing? Vine. Yeah, watermelon has the vine. So, what kind of trees do people usually plant in your country? Now talk about fruit trees. Yeah.
There are many kind of tree in my.
Yeah, आपने पकड़ ली. Yeah.
There are many kind of tree in my country.
Listen, question is, what kind of trees do people usually plant in their houses? So you need to just answer, in my country, most of the people prefer to plant fruit trees, and then go on. Yes.
My country
People prefer to plant
My country people prefer to plant mostly
fruit trees.
Mostly fruit tree in in the homes. It is very
Tree is plural, trees, they are
many benefits. It is give the
no, it is not fine. See that now, you should say they. There are many benefits of fruit trees. They provide fruit, they also provide shade. समझ आ रही ना, shade and all that. Yeah. Okay, let me go on. थोड़ा सांस ले लें. Yeah, good. Now let's go on. Have you ever planted any tree?
Yes, my home.
In my home, once I planted.
Once I
planted.
My grandfather mostly.
Just talk about the tree. Grandfather को भी ना लाएं. अभी अपनी बात करें, ठीक है? इंशाल्लाह आप भी grandfather बनेंगे. But now you need to talk about yourself. So, have you ever planted a tree? कौन को सेब का दरख्त लगा दो यार, क्या हो गया? Once I planted apple tree.
Once I planted at my home apple tree. He's very he's provide the.
ही नहीं आएगा. Apple tree के साथ ही नहीं आएगा. It. अब एक tree हो गया ना.
Apple tree and neem tree is many benefits. He give the provide.
It provides
the purify airs.
Yeah. And now I export apples all over the world. Yeah. You have the apple tree and now you export apples. Yeah. Okay, let's go on. What kind of trees do you plant? Or what kind of trees do you like?
I plant.
And always answer different. First, if you talked about apple tree, now talk about mango tree. Okay. Yeah. So what kind of trees do you like?
In my country, have a many tree, but I like the. Orange tree. There is a very they have a many benefits.
These trees have many benefits.
This tree have a many benefits because this pandemic they have a doctors. Every doctor say every doctor recommends orange juice during this pandemic. So therefore I like orange trees very much. थोड़ा सा ideas को ना इकट्ठा करें. Keep your answer simple, then it will be better. ठीक है? Yes, pass it on to him, please. ये mic भी दे दें इनको. Now the next topic is about decoration. Right? I tell you one thing. Why I want you to listen to me carefully, because in your actual exam, maybe now I asked him questions about tree. He will not get this topic. Anyone from you can get this topic. So if you listen carefully, and whenever I ask any question, you should answer like a heart-to-heart talk, or you can answer within your heart, so that if an actual exam,
They will ask you this question. For example, now if you are 30 students here, so 30 different topics. So that is going to help you in that way. All right, let's just go on. Your topic is decoration. What is the decoration like in your house? Now listen, decoration like in your house, you can say in our drawing room, we have very beautiful paintings on the wall. In one corner, we have a beautiful shelf, right? And the paint is red, something like that. This is what we call decoration. Now don't just think, okay, decoration is what we have, no decoration, something like that. Just come up with something. So, what is the decoration like in your house or in your home?
Well, in my home, the decoration is very beautiful because I have a keen observation with the interior designing. So I'd like to make different kind of stuff on the walls. So
Awesome, very good. Yeah, good accent and good style. Just keep it up, right? Be confident. What kind of decoration do you prefer?
I like to prefer very simple.
Like and prefer shouldn't come together. I mostly prefer.
I mostly prefer simple decoration because my background is from literature. So I'd like to put paintings on the walls and pictures of different, you can say cultural pictures and traditional pictures, but not very much, like fancy things I prefer.
Okay. Do people in your country like to decorate their houses?
Yes, there are a number of people who like to decorate their homes. Since it's an age of, you can say modernism, so people tend to look forward to see new things, and they experiment different things at their homes, and they get to know a lot of stuff about the interior designing.
Okay. What is your favorite color when decorating your house?
Well, that's a very interesting question. When decorating the house, I must say off-white is a very beautiful color because it comforts you, first of all, because if you are a reader and you turn on the light and you can easily study your books and all that. So I prefer off-white.
Okay, that's fantastic. Awesome, very good. Just be confident and you can answer like that. And you have to organize your ideas. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.